your new lifestyle.
Welcome back. If you are new here, subscribe. We are living in the village. We are building and farming at the same time. And we raise animals. And we love them. Do you love animals too?
The best way to live. Soft life. Endless bliss. On your own terms. Those who create their own schedule create their own happiness. But when you're married, sometimes you have to bend small. Cooking, cleaning, loving, dancing, smiling, you know, the norm. Just the way I like it. Pure, unadulterated domestication. What shall we put on the stove? Something delicious and tasty. And after all is set well in the house, I'll be sure to do absolutely nothing.
Wow. Bring you a gift.
Oh, thank you. It's beautiful.
This is very nice, yeah.
I like that. Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
Wow, it makes music too.
I'll be back later, okay?
All right, sweet. Come through, Africa.
2 hours later.
Hey, baby.
Hi. What is that?
Hey, what is what? Oh,
What is
that's
that?
that's the plant that you gave me. Isn't it nice?
Plant? No, it's not plant.
What do you mean it's not a plant?
No, it's not plant.
Babe, what are you talking about?
This is not plant, baby. It's not plant.
What are you doing? What? You don't
No, this is not plant. This is broom.
A what?
You don't know? This is broom.
Babe, this is a dry plant.
No. I will show you. I need to show you how it is. It's broom. This is.
You need to show me how to do what?
Now you're going to use this one to clean. This one. This is local broom. This is African broom.
Did you just say a local broom?
This is African broom.
I have a broom already.
This is African broom. See how.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh my God! Here you go. Don't tell me this is something.
This is African broom. So you know.
For who?
You don't know? You will now use this one.
What?
You bend.
Absolutely not.
No. This is.
You don't see that I already have a broom.
No. This one is not healthy.
This is very healthy.
It's not healthy. It's not healthy.
Is on point.
It's not healthy.
It's 22.
Let me tell you something. You see this one? This one is African broom. This is the traditional broom. You understand? So you bend down.
Oh my gosh.
You see?
Oh,
This is very
Babe, that's like slavery. I'm not doing it.
It's not a slave. It's not. I'm telling you.
My ancestors were using that on
I'm saying that. I'm saying that.
They were using that on the plantations. Why do you want me to use
this one is the good to sweep. Because this is in Africa. So you need to learn.
Why is that I'm in Africa.
You need to learn.
Learn what?
You need to learn.
Learn what?
You need to learn more about Africa.
I know plenty about Africa, but you bring.
You know this. You don't know this. So I'm introducing you.
I'm okay.
I'm introducing you with African life.
This is not just African.
You can do
life.
it, baby. You can do it. This is Africa. So
you
this
told
room,
me that you were going to start with all this indigenous
No.
behavior.
But sometimes I need to introduce you to African lifestyle.
This is not just African lifestyle. There are plenty of Africans who are sweeping, standing up like me.
I know, but look, something. If anyone uses one to sweep, you still see a date.
You will not.
I'm telling you. See, this one sweep and this one sweep. You see the difference because this one is natural. You see, this one is natural. You see.
Yeah, but this one is
natural.
more.
So when you are cleaning the natural, the ground is natural. The ground is not artificial.
I can see if I was sweeping outside.
So this one is rubber. This one is rubber. This one is not good.
Perfectly fine.
It's not. And this one have a nice smell.
Why do you want me my? Let me smell.
You see.
It smells like nature.
Hey!
But that means nothing.
You are not in Africa, so you can do it. So this is something like I need to introduce you for some lifestyle.
What lifestyle is that?
Like it.
You don't like my modern lifestyle.
You like it.
I don't like it.
You're still a modern person, but you need to fit African lifestyle to your modern life.
What am I supposed to do? Like, can you imagine me?
No, it's not like that.
Like, babe, that doesn't even make no sense.
I will show you how to do it. That one, see that one is something. This broom, when you are doing like that, is treating waist problem. It's treating waist problem because you do it.
Waist problem.
You do it. Your waist, the body there is massaging it. This one.
You know what? I don't know about you, H-word.
I'm telling you. This is something that's good. Oh. It's very good.
Let me try.
Put in the comment section down below. This broom, this African broom.
Give me this thing.
Tell us more about it in the comment section down below. This is very good. It's massaging your waist.
You're putting me back in the past.
It's not.
Put it here.
No, it's not like that. No.
Oh my gosh.
It's not like that. It's not like that. This is for your ancestors.
My ancestors are resting.
And now, let me tell you something. Your ancestors, they're long gone. They do it. And it's something is massaging your waist, like massaging waist. Like you go. See, it's massaging your waist.
So instead of standing up, I have to.
No. Not. You learn.
No, I'm not doing it. We just use it as decoration.
This one, when you start using it, you will see a place where it's dirty. You use this one to brush there half, and you use this one to brush the other side. You will see the difference, the two.
The ergonomics.
This one is natural automatic African broom.
Babe, just because I live in Africa doesn't mean that I have to do this.
I'm saying that. No. It's not mean. You know, I'm introducing you. You understand?
Oh, you're just sharing information?
No, not information.
This is good information.
Your new lifestyle.
It's not my lifestyle. Get out of here. I'm going to beat you and that's what it's going to be.
Your
nonsense.
Your new lifestyle.
That's what we're going to use it for when you're being bad. Unbelievable.
You can do it, baby.
I'm going to put it in
decoration. No decoration. No. Your new lifestyle. You can do it.
Why do you continue to do these shenanigans? Why do you want to mess up my soft life? Why?
This is beautiful. No. Congratulations. No. Your new lifestyle.
That's yours. Put it away.
Congratulations.
No.
Your new African lifestyle.
away from me.
Your new African lifestyle.
Absolutely not.
You can do it.
No.
You can do it.
Live from your heart, babe. Don't hide in fear. Beware of fools gold, smoke and mirrors. Watch out for tricksters, the wolves in sheep's clothes.
Smash the like button and comment down below. We'd love to hear from you.
Aliens, restless ghosts. So take care of yourself and love fearlessly, and keep yourself in good company.